I would just like to end my point because I don't think Attorney Lopez will cooperate with us anyway. I would just like to manifest those two letters are true. Those two letters cannot be denied. Her signature is on those two letters. Those two letters are both addressed to the Commission on Audit. One, intent of the letter, ipinapaliwanag yung audit observation. Pangalawang sulat, ipinapakiusap sa COA na huwag i-share at ibahagi ang audit observation sa Kongreso. So napakahirap pong paniwalaan ng isang taong nakapirma sa dalawang sulat na yan ay walang kinalaman patungkol sa isyong kanyang ipinapakiusap sa Commission on Audit.